Hello everybody. So I am going to show you in this video how to find the link to Peardeck, which we tried today during our science lesson. We're going to try it again on Tuesday, okay? There were like 10 or 12 students who couldn't find it and log in. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that, okay? So the one first thing that I want you to do, and it would be good if you can do this before Tuesday, before our next science lesson. If you could please go to Google Classroom and then find this post right here. It says click on this link and bookmark the page. And then it says Peardeck, and there's this link. I want you to please go and click on it. It's going to take you here, okay? What I want you to please do, if you haven't done it, I want you to please save it by clicking this star right here, okay? So you're gonna click on it and then make sure that it's on your bookmarks bar, and then you can click done. Now, if you are like me, that you saved it and you know that you saved it because the star is blue. If you saved it, but you still don't see it in here, it could be because you have a lot going on like me. And so it's usually hiding right here. If you click in these arrowheads right there, and then you scroll down all the way, there it is. Now, because you want to see it right away in front of you, what you can do is you can drag it all the way here. And that way, next time that you need it, it's right there. You don't have to go looking for it, clicking on the little stars right there. Or you can just leave it in there. Okay, so that's the one thing that I want you to do before on Tuesday, okay? Go and click on the link and then save the website by clicking on the star. That's one thing. The other thing that I wanted to try and show you is how to go on Tuesday, how to go from being in Zoom with me, how to go from here to Google Classroom, and or not to Google Classroom, but how to go from here to the Peardeck page where you're going to be putting a code. So on Tuesday, you're still going to first connect with me to Zoom. And this is probably how it's going to look like. This is your screen. You're going to see all the other students in there. But right now, I only have one student connected. So if your screen is big like this, because I told you to make it big when you connect to Zoom so you can see everything better, what you can do is you can click here where it says Exit Full Screen, and it makes it smaller where you can see at the bottom the Google here, the Google icon, or you can also push on down here your keyboard on the left side at the corner. It says Escape, ESC, push that one, and it also makes your screen smaller. Okay, you can then do this right here, minimize it. It says minimize the little line. And if you do that, notice that you can still see that little window, the Zoom window right there. But now you can see your other Google page in here. So, okay, so you're going to go here, and then I want you to please click on the Peardeck page, join a presentation, it says. And then it's going to show you this, and it's asking for a code. On Tuesday, I will give you the code that I want you to put in there on Tuesday. For right now, I am going to put one just to show you, but if you try it right now, it's not going to work because it's going to be a new code on Tuesday, okay? But on Tuesday, whatever code that I give you, you will put it in there like this. And then you don't have to hit enter or anything. You just put the code, and then you wait a little bit. It's going to take a while, and then it's going to show you the slides that I am going to be showing you that one day, okay? Okay, and then I want to show you where the action begins. So basically, I will be sharing with you my presentation, and then I will take you through the presentation, how we discuss and look at pictures and whatnot. And then the action begins right here. Okay? And by the way, if this little window is on your way, you can drag it around. Just get it out of the way. And then here's some action, some activity that you have to do. For example, we were looking at this picture, and then there's a question. It says, what do you see in this picture? And then on the right side, you have this box where it says answer here. So you're going to type your answer here. So what do you see in this picture? You begin typing. I see buildings. It is night time. And I see the moon. And so on and on. And so you're just going to be entering your answers, and that's all that you have to do. In the meantime, I am looking at what you are typing here in my screen. You don't have to hit enter. You don't have to do anything right now because as you type your response, I can see it in my screen. Okay, and so that's as much as I wanted to show you today. I just wanted to make sure that you will know where to find the link to the Peardeck. It's in Google Classroom. You want to do that before Tuesday, I said. Clicking on it and then saving it with a little star, and that's it. And then on Tuesday, that's where, while we are in Zoom, when I tell you to do so, then you will go to Google. You will make your Zoom window small, and then you go and find the Peardeck link, and then you will put your code, and you will be in. Okay, try to do those things before Tuesday, and if not, then I will try to help you then. We will try it, and we're going to get a lot of practice, and we'll get good at it. Okay, have a good day, boys and girls.